Oh no. This is a BMW E30 Baur. Now welcome back to the Baur series. Now in the previous episode we started fabrication of that rear arch. We've got the inner, the outer rear arch done and the sill as well. There was quite a lot of work in that previous episode. Do check it out, links in the description. In this episode I've actually already started this episode because I forgot to do an intro. But here's a little taster. We're actually going to get this floor section all complete along with this inner section because there's a spoiler, there's more rust on this inner sill section. So get those panels fabricated that I've already done but I've not done yet because I'm doing the intro after I've done the work. And then hopefully get all of this floor section all complete and yeah. So this is said hole in the floor. This was the previous section here. You can see it's actually got a bad patch on here which goes through to the front. Yeah, let's throw that to the side. So this here is the new section which goes on there like that. Also this inner section here I need to fab pieces for, which I've actually already done, like I say, but I'm doing the intro after I've done the work. Now there's a little bit more to do on this sill, but I'll get all this stitching in first and then I can stitch this section in, and I've got one more section which is this that I need to make around here. Once that's done, the floor is done, kind of, on this side-ish. Right, so this is the panel that we've got for the floor. Now, I'm not going to use all of it because there's no real need to, so I'm going to use half of it. Now, the chassis rail is underneath this section here. I'm going to save this side of the chassis rail because all of this on the car is actually good. I'm going to use this back here because there's areas that are pitted and that have gone through on this back section. So I'm going to probably cut up here across and use all of this section here. And yeah, there's no real need to obviously unstitch the chassis rail from the floor, so I may as well keep that because it's in good condition. And yeah, hopefully we'll get this welded in and get most of this section done. Right, I don't think I've actually spoke much in this episode because I've just been absolutely horsing on. Now, I've got that inner section done. Now, the only thing is when you cut steel out, the steel behind it is rusty, and then you cut that out and then you find pitting on the inside, and like just it's been an absolute pain to try and do all the little fiddly bits and then prime and protect, grind down and all that stuff. So anyway, right, so now we've drilled some holes in this floor plan. So this actually connects to that inner sill that I've just welded in. Now I want this to continue all the way up to somewhere here. Now there is another piece that kind of laps on here, just there like that, and that comes to this mark here that I've just made. Now that's 30mm, so I'm going to mark 30mm here. I'll then pop that on a piece of steel, just like that. I'll scribe around that, and then I'll make another piece like that that comes all the way up to here, and then that should join on to the piece that comes up to here, because that's also got one of these L pieces. So I'll get that done, and I'll try and get this all welded in because it's getting quite late now. I think it's like 10 o'clock at night. But I want to get this welded in tonight, and then it's done. So yeah. Oh no. Well, that is the floor sorted, that section sorted, and all of this. Now, as you can see, a little bit of rust turns into like 8 bajillion panels that you actually have to refab, which is a pain. Yeah, anyway. Right, so that's that done. That's going to be it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to continue on this front section. So I've got holes here, there's hole here, hole here, hole up there, there's one over there as well, and there's one in here. So I'm going to try and get all that sorted in the next episode, and then I can probably move backwards, because that'll be everything sort of like on this side from the front to about here sorted. So that's going to be it for this episode. Do check us out in the next episode. Do like and subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.